So what are the offerings of the live course? So the live course offerings include you have 1 year unlimited retakes. That means you can join. So you can join any session for next 1 year, any number of times. So it's not like you have to join only upcoming batch. Any batch until next 1 year, until December 2026, you can join. At any time you join, you have 1 year. Then access to the recorded session. So what I do is I record all the sessions and all the session recordings are shared with you. So you have access to the recorded sessions. You receive step-by-step activity guide. So the training is completely practical. You receive step-by-step activity guide, one-on-one doubt clearing sessions. And if you require any mock interviews, those are also shared. Then you have job support for lifetime. So job support means any technical issues related to Golden Gate you are facing at your workplace. So it's technical job support. So any technical issues related to Golden Gate you are facing at your workplace or or on your personal machine, you have lifetime on job support included. You have lifetime WhatsApp support. So you'll be part of elite training WhatsApp group where other training students of mine are there. So you can post your questions, queries over there. You can answer other people question queries as well. You receive you will receive lab setup kit for practice as well. So I'll be sharing with you the pre-cooked virtual boxes, which comes with database and Golden Gate software. You just have to plug and play those on your machine. These virtual boxes, which I was showing you, right? So they will reside on your machine. So for classic architecture, you will receive separate virtual boxes. For 23 AI, there are separate virtual boxes with instructions how to use them. Okay, so these sessions are conducted regularly. All the sessions are practical and training is interview and job oriented. And my assurance is upon completion of this training, you will be able to set up, manage, troubleshoot, configure Golden Gate on your own. You can join any session any number of times for next 1 year. Sessions are live and interactive. Session will pave the path towards making you Golden Gate expert. And at the end of the session, as I told you, you will be able to set up, manage, troubleshoot, configure Golden Gate on your own, as well as able to provide solution